Today in this video, I'll be guiding you through the process of being a Facebook Business Manager. So first of all, you have to go to facebook.com and then log into your Facebook account on your computer, as this action cannot be done on the phone. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of the page for the Ad Manager that you can find between your page name and Ad Center. If you don't see it, you can click on See More option and it will open the Ad Manager. After accessing the Ad Manager, navigate to the left side of the screen again and then click on All Tools option. Then find and select Business Settings that you will find between Store Locations and Get Started button. Tap on it. And in this page, you will see a list of all of your business managers if you have multiple. Choose the business manager you wish to delete. And if you click on its settings, it may directly take you to the Business Manager settings, and once you're in the Business Manager, scroll down to the Business Info, that is between the Notifications and Step Guide option. Tap on it. And here you will find Permanently Delete Business option in the top right corner. Click on Permanently Delete Business and you will be prompted to confirm your decision to delete it. Follow the on-screen instructions and you will successfully delete your Business Manager. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.